are here at an ASBK round. I know I look a little bit different, not a leather suit, we're in a car suit, and special guest beside me, Broc Feeney.
Look, we're going to try and have some fun out there, obviously here at One Raceway at the reopening. This is the first ever race-winning supercar for me, so very special one for me. Have a crack in both directions, it's going to be lots of fun. Around here is super special for me. I just want to go do more laps now. I want some new tyres, do a setup, and should be a bit of fun.